the most powerful laundry detergent on the market. Its effective, innovative, eco-friendly formula is years ahead of the competition. And it's a great example of how M's leadership has forced corporate giants like Procter & Gamble and Unilever to move toward more eco-friendly products. In fact, Melipower featured a highly concentrated, eco-friendly formula almost 20 years before Walmart finally responded and forced Tide to offer a 2 times concentrated version. Today, Melipower's 9 times concentrated formula is unmatched in the marketplace. The behemoth giants simply can't keep up with us on our environmental protection or our effectiveness. Besides being earth-friendly, this highly concentrated, non-toxic, biodegradable formula offers an incredible value. Just 2 tiny teaspoons of Melipower can clean an entire load of laundry. You'd need more than a 1/4 cup of Tide to try to do the same job. Melipower out-cleans, out-brightens, and flat-out clobbers the major brands on the toughest stains. Melipower is gentler, far safer, and much better for the environment, simply because we use natural enzymes instead of brute chemical force. Where can you find Melipower?
To boost laundry with a little extra cleaning power to tackle impossible stains, never turn to chlorine bleach. Bleach is so caustic, it literally eats your clothes, not to mention the damage it can do to your lungs. And bleach is extremely dangerous around children. Melibright Plus Oxy goes beyond bleach and brightens both whites and colors using the natural cleaning power of oxygen and hydrogen peroxide. It gently yet powerfully removes stains, rather than simply masking them like bleach. In addition, 3 plant-derived enzymes remove stains from fabrics and actually trim the microscopic fuzzies that develop as the fibers of your clothes fray. These fuzzies, if not removed, actually trap dirt and make clothes look dull and dingy over time. Only Melibright Plus Oxy gives your laundry the brightest brights and whitest whites. Chlorine bleach can never do that. Where can you find Melibright Plus Oxy?
Make sure the everyday cleaner you use on the most commonly touched surfaces in your house is both safe and effective. Did you know using national brand all-purpose cleaners as little as once a week has been proven to be as damaging to lung capacity as smoking a pack of cigarettes a day for 20 years? By contrast, Tough and Tender has a plant-based formula that is so safe it can even be used on surfaces coming into contact with food. A product far ahead of its time, Tough and Tender uses natural ingredients like palm and coconut-derived cleaners and the penetrating power of T36C5 oil. This proprietary formula actually makes water wetter by reducing its surface tension. This allows the natural cleaning agents to penetrate, dissolve, and completely remove dirt more effectively than grocery store brands. Where can you find Tough and Tender?
Hopefully, we've all learned the importance of disinfecting surfaces to stop the spread of harmful germs. But did you know most disinfectants use ingredients so dangerous they should never be used on surfaces that come into contact with food? True. Just read their labels. Solugard Botanical is the first ever EPA-registered plant-based disinfectant. Solugard is proven to kill 99.9% of disease-causing bacteria and viruses using natural, food-safe ingredients like citric acid and thyme oil. It's even effective against the COVID-19 virus when used as directed. And those food-safe ingredients make it safe to use on food surfaces. With a botanical formula that's this effective, why would you risk the national brand alternatives with all their poisonous toxic ingredients? Where can you find Solugard Botanical?
Think of your biggest cleaning challenges: paint, pine sap, road tar, or even permanent marker. Think of odors caused by mold, mustiness, or mildew. But don't despair. Solumel's all-purpose properties can handle them all. From removing gum from your child's hair, cleaning magic marker from a wall, or making an entire room smell fresh and clean, Solumel does it all. safely, and with totally plant-based ingredients. Solumel is the trusted, "I thought that would never come out" cleaner. This unbelievable all-purpose cleaner uses the natural penetrating and dissolving powers to erase stains and neutralize odors. There is nothing like it anywhere in the world. And of course, it contains no ammonia, no chlorine bleach, no formaldehyde, and no other harmful ingredients. Where can you find Solumel?
Everyone likes a clean toilet, but can you find Safe and Mighty?
For another example of forcing national competitors to change their caustic, environment-damaging, and dangerous chemical formulas, look no further than Diamond Bright dishwasher detergent. It exemplifies commitment to both the natural environment inside your home and the environment of the world outside. Introduce Diamond Bright as the world's first effective phosphate-free automatic dishwasher detergent in 1994. We had a very effective demonstration that we used against Procter & Gamble's Cascade, the leading dish detergent at the time. In our demonstration, we simply put a little bit of Cascade onto some aluminum foil. Within minutes, the Cascade would eat a hole clear through the foil, exposing the extremely caustic nature of that very dangerous formula. Our demonstration had a huge impact on the marketplace and on P&G. It took P&G several years to change their formula so it wouldn't eat through aluminum foil in mere minutes. Eventually, they were forced to change it. But even today, they're still far behind trade secret pH-balanced formula of citric acid and natural enzymes. We're proud of our position in the marketplace as the world leader in safe, eco-friendly cleaning products. And we are quick to point out that no one has ever forced to create safer products. We do it simply because we think it's the right thing to do. But they still don't get it. Simply read the labels of our competitors. Procter & Gamble and other major brands still use cheap, extremely dangerous, caustic chemicals, such as bleach, in their cleaning products. Diamond Bright, the first effective phosphate-free dish detergent in the marketplace. Totally safe and still the world leader. And where can you find Diamond Bright?